Imagine if every time you cleaned your room it helped save the planet.
Well, when it comes to the ocean, that's almost exactly how conservation works.
Every little effort we make to keep our seas clean and our marine life safe adds up to a huge help for our big blue Earth.
Let's dive into how each of us can be a hero for our oceans.
Let's start with the villain of our story, trash. Particularly the plastic kind, which sneaks into the ocean like a ninja, harming sea creatures and their homes. You've probably heard of the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, right? Imagine a floating island of trash so big that you could walk on it for days. It sounds like something out of a pirate's tale, but it's real, and it's one of the biggest threats to our oceans.
Now, here's where we all can wear our superhero capes by reducing, reusing, and recycling. Think of it like a magic spell. With each plastic bottle you recycle or reusable bag you choose, you're casting a spell to shrink the trash island and make the ocean a cleaner place for creatures like dolphins and turtles.
Next up, let's talk about making friends and protecting them. Our underwater neighbors, like the playful dolphin or the graceful whale, face dangers like getting caught in fishing nets or eating plastic that looks like food. By supporting laws that protect marine areas and being careful about what we throw away, we're not just being good neighbors, we're being life-saving heroes.
A real-life conservation win. The story of Turtle Bay. To show you just how powerful conservation can be, let me take you to Turtle Bay. Once upon a time, Turtle Bay was in trouble, with its turtle population declining rapidly due to pollution and poaching. Then, a group of determined locals and scientists came together with a plan. They cleaned the beaches, protected the nesting areas, and educated tourists about how to observe without disturbing them. Fast forward a few years, and Turtle Bay is now thriving. The turtles are back, the beaches are clean, and it's all because a group of people decided to make a difference. It's a real-life happy ending, and it shows us that what we do does matter.
What are simple actions families can take to help protect our oceans? Imagine if every little action you took could help save a piece of the ocean, kind of like saving up coins in a piggy bank. But instead you're saving fish, coral, and clean water. Let's dive into some easy ways families can make big waves in protecting our beautiful blue planet. Use less plastic. Plastic is like the villain in our ocean story. It sneaks into the sea where it can hurt our fishy friends and pollute their homes. Every time you say no to a plastic straw or bring a reusable shopping bag, you're like a superhero fighting against the plastic villain. Simple swaps at home can lead to a cleaner ocean.
Be beach smart. Every beach day can be a beach cleanup day. Why not turn a fun day at the beach into a treasure hunt? Look for litter treasures scattered in the sand and gather them up. Not only do you leave the beach cleaner, but you also protect sea creatures from harmful trash. Plus, building sandcastles in a clean sandbox is way more fun.
Choose sustainable seafood. When your family enjoys seafood, think about where it comes from. Choosing sustainable seafood is like picking the healthiest, happiest fish that don't harm the ocean. It's a bit like choosing the fruits and veggies that are best for your garden at home. By checking labels or using a seafood guide, you can make sure your dinner helps keep the ocean teeming with life.
Support marine protected areas. Now, let's talk about a real success story, the establishment of marine protected areas, MPAs. These areas are like underwater parks where wildlife can thrive without too much human interference. For example, the Great Barrier Reef Marine Park in Australia helps protect a diverse range of marine life by regulating fishing and tourism. Since its establishment, it's seen a rebound in many species that were previously on the decline.
Every drop of water you save at home also saves the ocean. Less water down the drain means less pollution reaching the ocean. Simple things like turning off the tap while brushing your teeth or fixing a leaky faucet keep the seas a little more sparkly.
Ahoy, fellow adventurers! We've sailed across the vast, mysterious ocean of knowledge together, diving deep into the hidden nooks and crannies of our amazing marine world. From the sunlit shores to the mysterious murky depths where creatures like the flashlight fish light up the darkness, we've seen how the ocean is much more than just a splashy playground. It's a treasure chest brimming with mysteries and wonders. Throughout our journey, we've discovered that every creature, big or small, plays a star role in the ocean's story. Just like characters in a favorite book, each fish, coral, and crab contributes to the ocean's tale. And just like a book wouldn't be the same if chapters were missing, the ocean needs every one of its inhabitants to keep the story going and the ecosystem thriving.
Now, what if I told you that you could be a hero in this ocean story? Yes, you! By joining ocean conservation efforts, you're not just helping the fish and the sea turtles. You're helping our planet and ultimately each other. Whether it's choosing sustainable seafood for dinner, reducing your plastic use, or joining a beach cleanup, your actions ripple out like waves, making big splashes in the effort to protect our blue planet.
Join the crew. Participate in local beach cleanups or ocean conservation events. It's a fantastic way to spend time with family, make new friends, and do some good for our marine buddies.
Be a smart shopper. Choose products that are kind to the ocean, like reef-safe sunscreens and plastic-free goods. Every choice at the checkout is a vote for the kind of world you want to live in. Spread the word. Share what you've learned about the ocean with friends and family. The more people know about how awesome our oceans are, the more they'll want to help protect them.
As we wrap up our exciting voyage, remember that the journey doesn't end here. The ocean is always changing and each wave brings new discoveries.
By taking care of it, we ensure that future explorers, maybe even you or your kids, will have even more to learn and love about our incredible marine world. So let's keep our eyes on the horizon and our hearts in the deep. Together, we can make sure the ocean story is one that goes on and on, a tale of wonder, respect, and care that we write together, one splash at a time. Dive in, the water's great, and the adventure is just beginning. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kids and Block, for more insightful videos.